So guys, this is going to be our movement for the day on our GBP USD. So first thing first, make sure you click on the subscribe. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you've not done that yet, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what GBP USD will be doing for us for the day. First thing first, before you take a trade, you need to know what the trend is. Remember, before you take a trade, you need to know what your trend is. And as you can see on our GBP USD, we are in a range market move. So you can see that whenever markets rally up to tap our, you can see it came to it rallied up and tap our resistance, right? Eventually rejected from our resistance and dropped back to tap our support, right? Markets eventually rejected from our support level and it came back to tap our resistance. Market then rejected from the resistance and it dropped what? To tap our support level, right? Market eventually rejected from the support level and came back to tap the resistance, right? The market eventually dropped to tap the support level. Market eventually rejected from the support and came back to tap the resistance. Now currently we are at the resistance and market is now rejecting. So we should be expecting market to reject further and drop more. So this is to tell you that a further movement to the downside is what we will be expecting on our for the day on our GBP USD. So if you are not yet in the sale on GBP USD, look to go in for the sale because we'll be expecting a bearish move. Now, take a look at this movement right here, guys. This is a multiple rejection at this top right here. Market did give us multiple rejection. Then here comes the low. Markets then give us a lower high, which is a pullback, right, to retest it. Then here comes the new lower low. Market eventually gave us a lower high right here. Now, with this lower high, we will be expecting market to continue to drop, which has done right here. It did form an equal low. So we will expect market to continue to drop further till it is able to fully form a new lower low. So guys, a bearish move for the day is what we should be expecting on GBP USD. If there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on any of this, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.